Hey everyone, it's Braden here for GSHelper.com, and today I'm going to show you our latest template, which we're really happy to release today. This is Trivia 2.0. Now we released a trivia template maybe 2 years ago, and it was a big hit on our site. Thank you for all the support on that template. But that was built using a project for the iPhone 4, and since then we've had universal support, and we have new aspect ratios with the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. And so I decided to go ahead and revamp this template and make it completely universal and use a lot of the new table functions that we have to make editing this template even more simple. So I'm going to go ahead and click preview and show you what this template can do. We have a nice title screen here, and we have a more applications button that has the open URL behavior in it. So when you tap on this, if you're pro, you'll be able to direct your user to your App Store page so that they can download more of your games. Really handy. And if I go ahead and click Begin Trivia, it brings us to the scene here, and it says true or false. This is a trivia template, and obviously this is true, but you can see that the timer goes down. Very nice art in here. What year are we currently in? We are in 2015, but I'm going to go ahead and select 2016 and watch what happens. It turns red, but 2015 kind of expands, and it shows us which selection is true here. What program was used to create this template? Now obviously it's GameStyle, but I'm going to let it run out here, and when it runs out it shows us the correct answer. Now I'm a big Halo guy. I don't know about you guys, but I really like Halo. So what is Master Chief's call sign? Is it Master Chief, Cortana John? It's Spartan 117. Now what's really cool about this template is it supports both regular trivia questions and true or false. So if you have a true or false question, the game automatically knows to only show two options, and of course all of these options are random, so the correct answer is not always going to be in the top. In our previous template we didn't have random support for the question, so it would just go through the table in the order that it was created in, and a lot of users didn't really like that. So with this template we have gone ahead and selected random questions, and the questions do not show up again until you take the quiz or the trivia the next round. On the game over screen here, it shows us how many we got correct, how many we got incorrect. I only have 6 questions set up right now, but you can go ahead and add in 100 questions. And really all you have to do is edit the table, and that is it. I mean, honestly, the game takes care of everything else. You add a row, you type in your question and your answers, and that's it. The game takes care of everything else. We have a play again button here and a challenge friends with a little Twitter icon. So we have the tweet sheet behavior in here. And if you're pro, again, when the user taps this, it'll say, try to beat my score on this awesome trivia game. And you can post that to their Twitter page so that people may go ahead and download your game. Really nice marketing. And of course the message here can be edited to whatever you like. I'm going to go ahead and begin trivia again. And like I said, the true and false is a really nice touch. It automatically knows if it's true or false, and so it'll only show two options. What year are we currently in? 2016. If it's wrong, it shows a correct answer. Really nice. Now you can change how fast the timer goes down. You can change a lot of stuff in here, but like I said, really all you have to do to add new questions is add a new row in the Puzzles Masters template, and it will take care of everything else. So if we add a new row and we create a new question, let's say true or false, new question, and this is just for testing purposes. So we'll put the correct answer here and the incorrect answer here, and we'll just leave everything else blank. And if we go ahead and preview, we should be able to see the question here. Really cool. What's really nice about this template is that I wanted to give it a really nice slick feel here, and so everything is pretty much an actor with those light colors. There's really no images in here. Here we go. Here's our new question. True or false? New question. That's true. And it just goes on to the next question. Really easy to add questions. You just saw me do it really quick. So anyway guys, that's our new trivia template. Really nice. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks on the iPhone 6 Plus. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you can see it fits perfectly in there. How about on the iPhone 6? That's the iPhone 6. Here is the legacy iPhone. everything crops. It doesn't really crop, it just overskins, but it looks extremely nice. And it even works on the Nook. Oop, let me zoom out. And on the Kindle Fire. So there you go. That's our Trivia Template 2.0. If you're interested, head on over to GSHelper.com and download today. Thanks, guys.